Welcome back to Weight Ask channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of oatmeal, unveiling its incredible potential for weight loss and better health. So, if you're looking to shed those extra pounds and boost your overall well-being, you're in the right place. Oatmeal is one of the most popular breakfast options for those who want to start the day with a healthy diet. Did you know that oatmeal is a superfood that can fulfill all your needs? From a quick, hunger-satisfying snack to a quick breakfast to a light, no-fuss meal, oatmeal can be a filling option for everyone. Let's start with the most traditional recipe, oatmeal. 1 or 4 cup oatmeal, 1 cup plant milk, 20-gram apple or other fruit, 2 teaspoons cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon raisins, berries, etc. 1 tablespoon honey. If you want it sweeter, wait! Before starting this video, I introduce you with Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below.
This is how you make classic overnight oats, but with steel-cut oats, which are better for your blood sugar. Of course, the trade-off with steel-cut oats is that they take longer to cook, but that doesn't mean that overnight oats are not available to you. The trick is to cook them stovetop in your nut milk just for a minute so they can get slightly soft. For the flavorings here, I'm adding ground cinnamon, vanilla, and a little bit of salt. Simply bring them up to a simmer, then cook for 1 minute, turn the heat off, and whisk in all the other flavorings. I use a little bit of honey as a sweetener, but you can use maple syrup if you're vegan or low FODMAP. As you can see, after 8 hours in the fridge, the oatmeal becomes really thick and creamy. I just garnish with a little bit of the seasonings that are in it, and there you go.
Are you serious to manage your belly fat naturally? Click the secret video link in the video description. The link will delete it in few days and never up in this video. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and share this video with others. For more expert advice on living a healthier life, don't forget to subscribe to Weight Ask channel. Thanks for watching!